Hello, we're here with Electro for the win, and I'll be showing you how to port forward a server. First you find your IP with CMD, open it and write ipconfig. Then you can see your IP is this. Here, default gateway. Got that in my head. Then you go here, write your IP, then you write admin, and at the bottom you write password. Then when you're gonna advanced setup, port forwarding. Look, I already got mine, but you click add custom service. Then you write some panic source. This is Then you write 27015 27015, and then you write your CMD. It says your IP here. You write the last one here and click apply. Then when you click apply again and click log out, and then your port forward is working. Well, this was Electro for the win, and I showed you how to port forward a server to Zombie Panic Source. Well, see you in the next one.